Hello YouTube, this is just a short little video on my workshop. It's a 20 by 10 shed. Built this about 10 years ago now. It's my little sanctuary. I come up here, make things, potter about. I love it. Let's start by here, down underneath there. Little compressor. This is mainly junk around here. Got two steel cabinets, just full of bits and pieces. Bit more storage on top in boxes. I've used pretty much all the space I could do with a bigger workshop. Some overhead storage for wood. My laptop is, my tablet is updating and going nuts at the moment. That's what you can hear. A few little projects I got on the go here. These cabinets here, are most of my tools in. Drill bits. From IKEA, perfect for your tools. When I built because I use every bit of storage space in here, I had when I built this side and these went under, I had a bit of a gap at the back, so I've got a little door where I keep my miter saw tracks and stuff behind, just an extra bit of storage. Plenty of plug sockets around, as you can see. Full bank there. There's a full bank along there. Got some up there. This is my bench sander, my bandsaw. Only cheap ones, but they do the job. Storage up here. More bits of storage, stereo, more small bit storage, nuts, bolts, rivets. That side I've got more this side, screws, nuts, bolts, a couple of magnetic bars, my chop saw, a couple of drills, my clamps here, clamps up here, little fret saw, pillar drill, bench grinder, lots of storage on the bottom, a couple of drawers, storage clamps and stuff inside there, few tools in there. I also got more power tools here, here and here. My table saw just pulls out, use it there. Off-cut wood storage bin, just normal standard bin. This is a space saving idea I come up with for all my cans of spray, wood adhesive, carbon adhesive. Just helps keep things all in one place. I keep my air tools in there. I made a little bracket for my nail gun, which is just keeps it up out of the way. Got my tablet in here, so I can keep my eye on YouTube and things like that. If I need to check anything on the internet. This is a little bracket I made for all my little squares. This is all my blades for my saw, my hacksaw. Bit more storage up here. As you can see, I've added a few personal little touches, like made this handle, made these little handles on from some spare spanners I had. This router, a few little projects I've had going on. But yes, all in all, I love being here. Peace and quiet. I've also got a vacuum system in place. My vacuum is down under there, if you can see that in the dark, with a cyclone type bucket. Comes up here. I shut this off and open this up for my table saw, for my chop saw. Open that back up, sends it across. I've got one there for my bandsaw. There's also another one here for my belt sander. Then I've got another one here which I can shut off, which gives me my main hoover pipe for cleaning up. So I've got saws, there, all my clamps, a lot of bits and pieces around. All my sanding from 40 grit down to 400 grit. Different sanding bits and pieces. Belts for the belt sander. Thanks for watching, everybody. Cheers.